All right, y'all. We rocking and rolling, hustlers. Today's day 8 of the November challenge. We're getting more stuff in. We got some of our shoes came in. Vapor Maxes. Remember we ordered that golf club? We got the golf club. So majority of the stuff is here from the past couple of days that we've been ordering. That's great. No extra fluff or anything like that today. Pretty much we're just going to order some stuff today. Keep the wheels rolling. We're tracking our progress. And we're good. We're good. I got people in the community asking questions. They want me to hit certain stores. I'm all for it. I'll try the stores if they fail. And that's a part of the journey. If you try a new store and it fails, you just mark it off your list. You know not to try it again. If you try a new store and it succeeds, you can add a new store to your list. So we're going to jump on the app. I'm going to see what they got rolling. I think I saw another 10%er of a store I haven't tried yet. So I definitely want to try that store today. Let's get to it. All right. And with every day, not every other day, we are going onto the app. We're going to check and see what we got. You always check your updates from the day before so you guys can make sure you're tracking my progress. So remember, we hit Nike about 3 times already. So we'll probably slow down on Nike and just start hitting the stores that the people are suggesting for me. But we hit Nike. Nike was at 8% yesterday. So you see that it's starting to decrease. If you're popping 10s, you're popping wins. We're only doing small quantities, but as you guys can see, when you hit those 10%, if you have a higher limit credit card, buy a higher limit item. I'm going to give you a prime example today with the store that we're going to do today, and you can understand what I mean by how you can make more money. So today, I think I saw PetSmart, right? So PetSmart is our 10%er today. I vaguely researched them. It looks like their return policy, you can bring the item back. It says you need to have a credit card and they can return it. So I'm going to test it out. You never know. You don't know until you try. I haven't tried PetSmart. I didn't think there would be like high value things. And then I realized I have fish. And you know what costs a lot of money? The fish tanks. And I'm talking a lot of money. So if you look at the fish tanks, how do I sort it? I sort it by price. As usual, high to low. Look at that. That's one fish tank. You can spend $4,000 on one fish tank. I'm not going that high. Obviously, we got to stay within our range. So I am looking. I think I saw one for like 500. I'm just gonna keep scrolling. Bird cage. All right, so there's one for 6. So maybe on the next page we'll catch one for 5. We do have a limit, unfortunately. All right, so now here's the thing. I don't really like sales. So like when it comes to cashback, because it creates problems. It's like, oh, you got this on sale. They need a manager. They got to return it a certain way. So you see how we have the 45 gallon that's for $4.79, but it's on sale. And then you have the 12 gallon, a lot smaller, but it's $500. Now, one thing to take note is a 45 gallon tank is pretty sizey and it's pretty heavy. Plus, that one comes with a stand. You got to build the stand, but even still, it's like 2 heavy boxes. When you consider this, a 12 gallon, that little Clear for Life 12 gallon flat, like that little thing is going to be the size of a basketball, probably, right? So I'm going to go grab that. $4.79. Says Clear for Life. They don't have any in stores, obviously. We're going to get it shipped. Add it to cart. View cart and checkout. And it is now in the cart. Bam, there we go. All right, so we're going to continue to check out. Most of these things, I always tell you guys, create accounts if you don't have accounts. Using guest accounts can get you rejected when you have bigger orders. I mean, a one-off like this is a one item. You wouldn't really need to create an account, but it's best to create accounts, especially if you're going to be doing these stores quite often. So I'm going to continue as a guest just to move me a little quicker. Let's go ahead and place the order.